Many H-2B workers think they lose opportunities because of paperwork or bad luck, but the real reasons are often very different. Today, we will talk about what actually gets workers replaced and how you can avoid it. These insights come from real job sites, hotels, landscaping, kitchens, airports, and more. Stay with me, because understanding these patterns can change your next season. No pauses, no fluff, just what matters to your job security. If you want consistent contracts and returns, you need clarity on expectations here in the US. The number one reason workers get replaced is performance. Employers expect consistency, effort, and reliability every single day. If your speed drops or quality slips, it shows immediately. Consistency is a skill. Same standard, same pace, same outcome. When performance stays steady, employers notice, and they keep you. A negative attitude, complaining, or refusing tasks can quickly make an employer decide not to bring a worker back. Shift to solutions. Ask how to help, not why it is unfair. Professional tone under pressure signals maturity and trustworthiness. Refusing tasks blocks growth. Learning new tasks increases your value. Take feedback without argument. Improve fast. Showing up late, missing shifts, or not following schedules can immediately affect your chances of staying. Know your schedule. Double-check it. Set alarms. No surprises. One late arrival can slow the entire crew and cost money. If you need a change, communicate early and follow the process. Reliability is visible, on time, prepared, and steady. Employers prefer workers who can work well with others. Respect roles, communicate clearly, and back up your team. Divide work, move together, finish faster. Conflict with coworkers can be a major reason for replacement. Teams that support each other become hard to replace. There are many workers applying for H-2B jobs. If one worker does not meet expectations, employers often have other options. This is not about luck, it is about results they can measure. Show strong output consistently, and you become the easy choice. Remember, the market is competitive. Stand out with reliability and attitude. In many cases, employers share feedback with recruiters and managers. Your reputation can follow you from one season to the next. Good records open doors quickly. Late arrivals or conflicts leave marks that are hard to erase. Collect proof of performance, trainings, compliments, and completed tasks. Ask for short written feedback when you do well. It helps next season. Protect your name. Your name is your reference. Sometimes replacement is not personal. It may be due to business needs, budget changes, or operational decisions. When this happens, stay professional and ask about future opportunities. Finishing strong keeps you on the callback list. Professional conduct today can secure your contract tomorrow. The best way to avoid being replaced is simple. Be reliable, stay professional, work hard, and maintain a positive attitude. Small habits every day build a strong reputation. Track your wins, learn quickly, and support your crew. Follow H-2B Success Blueprint for more insights on how to succeed in seasonal jobs. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice. Stay safe, stay professional, and I will see you in the next shift.